Hi, my name is Todd Wilson, owner of BreakOut Studios in Tucson, Arizona. I'm here with the fabulous Joe Novac. He'll be demonstrating a basic jazz pirouette. Before you attempt any of our exercises here at BreakOut, make sure you do a thorough warm-up. Touch your toes, move your shoulders around, do whatever you need for your body. Today we're going to start Joe in a first position parallel jazz post. From this position, he's in a tendu outward with his arms going into a second jazz position arm placement, and then back into his preparation. The preparation is the building block of your jazz pirouette. You want it deep and nicely placed, not too far forward, not too far back, right underneath that pelvis line. From here, we're just going to do a balance first to start. Taking that back foot up to a preparation turn into the pirouette and back down, and again up and down. That is the pathway and movement for the knee for your jazz pirouette. It's the building blocks for the turn. Now we're going to try a single pirouette. We're going to be closing out. Show the arms again, Joe. We're going to be closing our working arm into the body, into the midline, into our sternum to give us a little bit of power with our low body for the pirouette, for the turn. Let's try that. So let's go from the first position. We tendu out and prepare, coming up for one single pirouette. Beautiful, so wonderful. So that is the building blocks for your jazz pirouette. Make sure you try this at home in a safe, open space, and thanks for watching. Life moves, move with it.
An extra tip for when you're doing your single jazz pirouette, as you keep doing it, you'll definitely feel more of a natural rotation and you'll start building up more turns. And to help with that, you'll definitely want to try spotting. That'll help your turn go around a lot easier. So for spotting, you just are looking straight ahead at whatever place you want to pick to spot, and as your head goes around, you leave your gaze there as long as you possibly can, and you quickly turn your head and look back at that exact position. And that will help you not get as dizzy when you're turning.